How to fix MS Gaming Overlay error message on Windows 11. So in order to do that, open search and search for registry editor and open that. Now you want to expand the current user. Next, expand the software. Scroll down and find the Microsoft, which is here. Expand it. Now you want to find the Windows, which is at the bottom. So simply find it and expand it. Here you want to expand the current version. And now find the folder game DVR, which is here. You don't have to expand it. Just click on it. And at the top you will see the app capture enabled. Simply right click this option. Click on modify. And make sure the value of data is set to 0. So as you can see now on this place is the 1 and I want to change it to 0. Simply click on OK. And this should fix your MS Overlay error. If you don't have the app capture enabled here, simply right click, new, and choose the DWORD 32-bit value and name it as an app capture enabled. I cannot rename it because it already exists, but you can do it and change the value to 0 like I got it right here. So I hope you find it helpful. See you next time.